Uh, yes, beta, let's continue with the chapter. The grandmother, where she was laying, thousands of sparrows scattered there on the floor. There was no chirping. We felt sorry for the birds, and my mother fetched means gave them some bread for them. She broke it into little crumbs the way my grandmother used to and threw it to them. The sparrows took no notice of the bread. When we cried my grandmother's corpse, sorry, when we carried my grandmother's corpse off, they flew away quietly. Next morning, the sweepers swept the breadcrumbs into the dustbin. Here, one question can be asked: how did the sparrows show their homage to their patron? Who is the patron here? Patron is Sanrakshak, one who take care of someone. Grandmother was the patron for sparrows. When she died, another question, same means only language is changed. How even at the loss of a pure soul, the nature mourns over the loss of pure soul. Describe. So it can be described that when the grandmother died, where she was laying, when where the corpse was laying, thousands of sparrows came scattered. They didn't chirp. When Khushwant Singh's mother threw breadcrumbs to them, at that time they did not took notice of it and flew away quietly when the corpse of grandmother was taken off. In this way, the sparrows paid their homage to their patron. Yes, beta. There are two questions which we can see on the screen. Understanding the text, the three phases of author's relationship with his grandmother before he left the country to study abroad. I'm just telling you the three phases. Number one phase is the phase of friendship. Number two is the phase of the snapping of friendship. And number three is the phase of the death of grandmother when he grew up. Now, second question, three reasons why the author's grandmother was disturbed when he started going to the city school. I have already discussed this question earlier. But students, I have a question for you. How can you say that the grandmother was strong in character? Um Strong in character means she was a lady who was quite strong in every aspect. How can you justify this? Thereafter, there is a question, three ways in which the author's grandmother spent her days after he grew up. I have already told the three ways. The odd way in which the author's grandmother behaved just before she died. All of you know she forgot to pray. She collected neighborhood women and sang of the whole night. She kept beating the drum and sang of the homecoming of warriors. The way in which the sparrows expressed their sorrow when the author's grandmother died. Just told you. The author's grandmother was a religious person. What are the different ways in which we come to know that she was a religious lady? From the beginning to the end, we have seen this thing. The question which I was asking is Number third, given in talking about the text, would you agree that author's grandmother was a person strong in character? If yes, give instances that show this. Second question, describe the changing relationship between the author and his grandmother. Did their feelings for each other change? You must have noticed the things. Have you known someone like the author's grandmother? No need to answer such question. Thank you, beta. I will provide you the question answers related to this chapter later on.